Chloe, what are you doing?
Ice cream.
Eating ice cream? That's not ice cream, it's a cupcake. Is it yummy?
Mm.
It's yummy? Go
Huh?
delicious. Take a bite. So you can show Brenda that you love the cupcake.
Hi.
Say hi, Brenda. Say Brenda. Is it yummy? Yes? Say thank you. Say thank you.
No.
Why not? Say thank you.
No.
Come on. Say Brenda.
Yeah.
Say Amy.
Amy.
Say thank you, Amy. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mwah.
Mwah.